Hello students, how are you? I welcome you all to IS Ment Rise with Right Mentor. Today in this video, we are going to discuss another technique by which the prelims MCQs can be made correct. These techniques will help you in making the MCQs correct through whatever knowledge we have got by when we were preparing this examination, right? So knowing these techniques becomes very much important so that we can make the options correct. Because otherwise पढ़ने का कोई फायदा नहीं है अगर हम ऑप्शंस को सही नहीं कर पाए तो उनको सही करने के लिए देयर इज अ प्रॉपर वेल नोन टेक्निक्स थ्रू विच we can make the answer correct by applying the knowledge that we have attained. So let's see in that series. This is another technique by the name of logical deductions. ठीक है, अब इसमें देखते हैं कि क्या होता है. Logical deduction method is a critical thinking strategy. It is a critical thinking strategy. ठीक है, when you don't have the complete knowledge about the topic, but use reasoning and logic to arrive at the correct answer. This method helps you work through the available information, systematically apply common sense and use basic principles to eliminate incorrect options. ठीक है ना, देखते हैं इसमें स्टेप्स क्या क्या इन्वॉल्व है. Understand the question thoroughly. Make sure you understand what the question is asking. Break it down and identify the key concepts or terms. Analyze the options. Look at the options carefully and compare them to each other. Think about how each option fits into the context of the question. Apply basic principles of logic. Use common sense or logical principles to eliminate options that are contradictory, extreme, or illogical. Then make a logical deduction. देखो, सबसे पहले understand the question carefully and understand the key terms. This is the first and foremost requirement of this technique. Then is analyze. Analyze the options. Think about how each option fits into the given question, into the given context. ठीक है, यानी एनालाइज करना है किनको, ऑप्शंस को. फिर उसके बाद है अप्लाई योर लॉजिक टू रीच टू दी करेक्ट आंसर. ठीक है, समझते हैं इसको भी क्वेश्चंस के थ्रू. With reference to global warming, which of the following can contribute to reducing the carbon footprints? कार्बन फुटप्रिंट्स को रिड्यूस करने में इनमें से क्या हेल्प कर सकते हैं? स्विचिंग टू इलेक्ट्रिक व्हीकल्स. लॉजिकली सोचो, इलेक्ट्रिक व्हीकल्स यस, फंडामेंटली ऑल्दो नो, बट theoretically yes. Using public transportation, yes, it can also help reduce. Deforestation, no, rather this will increase carbon footprints. Using renewable energy resources, yes. So the answer is 1, 2 and 4. Which of the following statements is correct with reference to Indian economy? Agriculture sector contributes more to the GDP than the service sector. Manufacturing sector has seen significant growth in past decade. देखो, अब ये हमें सबको पता है कि इंडिया में जीडीपी में मैक्सिमम कंट्रीब्यूशन जो है वो सर्विस सेक्टर का है. ठीक है, फिर उसके बाद मैन्युफैक्चरिंग और फिर लास्ट में एग्रीकल्चर. जबकि इनमें वर्कफोर्स पार्टिसिपेशन देखा जाए तो मैक्सिमम इन एग्रीकल्चर, देन इन मैन्युफैक्चरिंग एंड देन इन सर्विस। ये हम सब जानते हैं, वाइल वी वर स्टडिंग इकोनॉमी हमने ये चीज को देखा था। ठीक है, अब इसको अप्लाई कैसे करते हैं? एग्रीकल्चर सेक्टर कंट्रीब्यूट्स मोर टू द जीडीपी देन सर्विस सेक्टर। नो, दिस इज टोटली रॉन्ग। Rather, service sector is the thing which contributes maximum to Indian economy, right? Manufacturing sector has a significant growth in past decade. The word is significant, on which we have to focus. Manufacturing sector growth, yes, some growth may have took place, but significant for sure it is not. So the answer is wrong. If the word significant would have not been there, then this option would have become right. देखो, ग्रोथ तो हुई है लेकिन सिग्निफिकेंट हुई है नहीं। ठीक है, प्रेसिडेंट ऑफ इंडिया कैन पार्डन अ डेथ सेंटेंस, गवर्नर कैन पार्डन अ डेथ सेंटेंस। दिस इज राइट, दिस इज रॉन्ग। बाय द फैक्ट वी नो दैट governor and president both have the pardoning powers, right? But governor cannot pardon a death sentence. सिर्फ और सिर्फ एक डेथ सेंटेंस है जिसको गवर्नर के एम्बियंट से बाहर है। वो डेथ सेंटेंस को सिर्फ और सिर्फ प्रेसिडेंट ही उसको माफ कर सकते हैं। ठीक है, बाकी सारी पेनल्टीज को गवर्नर भी माफ कर सकते हैं। ठीक है ना, ये हमें लॉजिकली इस चीज के बारे में पता है। देखो, लॉजिकली भी गवर्नर्स तो कितने सारे हैं ना, और वैसे भी जो डेथ सेंटेंस है इट इज रेयरेस्ट ऑफ द रेयरेस्ट पनिशमेंट। जब इतनी पनिशमेंट इटसेल्फ इज रेयरेस्ट ऑफ द रेयरेस्ट एंड द हार्डेस्ट, तो इसको इतने सारे लोगों को ना दे करके बल्कि एक या दो लोगों के पास पावर रहे तो ज्यादा अच्छा होता है। और एक या दो लोगों के पास जब पावर की बात आती है तो किन की बात आएगी? सिर्फ प्रेसिडेंट की। ठीक है ना, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। वाटर साइकिल, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग प्रोसेसेस लीड टू द फॉर्मेशन ऑफ क्लाउड्स? फॉर्मेशन ऑफ clouds. Evaporation, yes. Precipitation, देखो प्रेसिपिटेशन जो है ना वो क्लाउड्स के बनने के बाद का प्रोसेस है, तो ये गलत हो जाएगा। कंडेंसेशन, यस। ट्रांसपिरेशन, यस। आंसर इज 1, 3 एंड 4। ठीक है, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग बेस्ट डिस्क्राइब्स द टर्म इन्फ्लेशन? इन्फ्लेशन क्या होता है? जनरल प्राइस राइज ऑफ गुड्स एंड सर्विसेज in an economy. This is the very, very, very basic definition of inflation. A rise in price of essential goods only. But हमने क्या लिखा? Goods and services both. This becomes wrong. Rise in general level of prices of goods and services in an economy. Yes, this is the basic definition of inflation. Rise in supply of money in the economy. No. Rise in the income of the population. No. Rise in the income of the population will lead to inflation. Rise in supply of money in economy will lead to inflation. ठीक है ना? Yamuna is a tributary of Ganga. We all know that Yamuna is a tributary of Ganga, right? So this becomes right. Brahmaputra flows through Bangladesh. before merging with Ganga. This is Bangladesh. Brahmaputra, yes, enters into Bangladesh and flows, and then it enters into the Bay of Bengal. After entering into Bangladesh, it merges with Ganga, and after merging with Ganga, its name changes. What is the name? Meghna. ठीक है ना? So first option becomes right and second option also becomes right by logic. Consider the following statements about Indian Constitution. DPSP are justiciable. Fundamental rights are non-justiciable. By very basic nature of these two things, we know that fundamental rights are justiciable. DPSP are non-justiciable. Justiciable means the thing which can be brought in court of law, and court of law can restrict the government to implement something, to implement that thing, right? Consider the following pairs. Which of the pairs given above are correctly matched? देखो, Rocky Mountains are found in USA, yes. Andes are found in South America, Argentina, yes. Urals are found in Russia, yes. Urals are the mountains that make natural boundary between Europe and Asia. ठीक है? Natural disasters. Earthquakes are more likely to occur in regions where tectonic plates meet. Yes. Volcanic eruptions are common in Himalayan region. No. Why? Because Himalayas are formed by the collision of continental plate. ठीक है ना? This is Eurasian plate and this is Indian plate. जब इन दोनों का कोलाइड हुआ, when both the plates collided with each other, the Himalayas formed, because since both the plates are continental, heavy masses, one cannot subduct the other, so both started rising. ठीक है? With reference to international organizations, consider the following statement. World Bank primarily provide financial assistance to developing countries for infrastructure projects. Yes, ये हम सब जानते हैं कि वर्ल्ड बैंक का ये प्राइमरी ऑब्जेक्टिव है. IMF primarily focus on providing short-term loan to stabilize exchange rates. Yes, this is also true. Conclusion. Analyze, eliminate, deduct the correct answer. देखो, logic, to apply logic, we must have knowledge. To apply logic, we must have knowledge. ठीक है? The knowledge can only bring logic. And through logic, we identify, analyze, and reach to the correct answer. ठीक है? So that's all for this class. Now we will meet in next class. Till then, I request you all to please go through this whole prelims preparation strategy series. It will hardly take you 2 days to complete the whole series, and this whole series will definitely give you an idea about this examination, and you will be in better position to devise your strategy to clear this year's prelims examination. I request you all to please like, subscribe, and share this playlist with your friends also. Till then, thank you. Bye bye.